What's going on YouTube? We have a big severe weather threat today for Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana. So if you live in one of those places, listen up. Starting off with the Storm Prediction Center, we have an enhanced risk for those areas, as you can see here. The main threat with these storms are going to be wind and hail, but tornadoes are definitely possible. Looking at the HRRR, which is a accurate model, we look at to forecast these storms. It's not my model, so it's not exactly what's going to happen. These storms are going to form in central Iowa and move southeast their way into Illinois and Indiana. The further southeast they move, they are going to be forming a bow echo, as you can see, this bow shaped, which is going to produce very damaging winds and hail. Looking at the tornado threat with these storms, looks like the biggest tornado threat is going to be right around here. You guys in eastern Iowa and northern Illinois. Looking at the Cape for these storms, there are plenty of Cape, almost 5,000 joules per kilogram of Cape, which is just absolutely absurd. So anybody living in this area, be expected for some very strong storms today. Particularly over here, you're going to be getting the storms overnight. And then on this left side, you're going to be getting the storms in the evening. And now looking back at my home state, Massachusetts, let's see what the storms are going to look like for them. So it looks like we're going to have some thunderstorm development at 6 p.m., but it's definitely not going to be as strong as it was before on previous models, but they are going to be strong. The isolated storms that do develop, they are going to develop around here, I want to say around 3 p.m. They're going to be moving east, so anyone in this circle can definitely be possible for a big storm. Anyone even in this bigger circle is possible for a big storm today. If we look at the temperature, it's going to be very hot yet again. Lower 90s. These storms are not going to bring cooler air. It's going to be hot yet again tomorrow and the day after. The Cape, which is the energy for the storms, previously it was 3,000 later, previous models, and now we're looking at still around 3,000. So these storms are going to form. It's just a matter of where and when and how many form. My prediction is that it'll be right around here, and I think they're going to be a lot more formation than forecasted.